This is the first tutorial of Node.js. So here I will give you some basic example of Node.js. So to use the Node.js, first of all you have to install the Node.js software. So after installing the Node.js software, then you have done this process what I will show you now. So first of all, any drive you have to open any drive where you want to store your Node.js first project. So now here I have opened the F drive. You can see this is the F drive, and now here I will create a folder. So here's the new, and here's the folder name. So now here I will write here the folder name is Node app. You can write here any name of this folder, this is not most important. And now I will open our Visual Studio Code editor. So this is the best editor for Node.js, and now I will open it, and here I will close the welcome page, and now I will go to the file, and here you can see add folder to workspace. So I will click the add folder to workspace to select our folder. So here is the F drive, and my new the folder is Node app. So I will open this Node app folder, and now in the Node app folder I will create a file. So I will just simply click the Node app folder, and from here you can see this is the file sign. So here I will click, and now I will add the name of the file is app.js. You can write here any name, you can write here index.js also. So first of all here I will write the app.js and enter. So now you can see the app.js folder is created, and after that we are to install npm init to install any packages. That means when we go to install a Node.js package, then first of all we have to install npm init. So for that I will go to the terminal. Here is the terminal, and now I will open the new terminal, and now here I will install npm init. So I will increase the terminal size. So here you can see they are asking the package name. So I will write here the package name is Node project. You can write here any name of this package, and then press enter. Here you can see the error is sorry, name can no longer contain capital letters. So it's not support capital letters, so I will simply write here notes. Okay, you can write here notes any name, and that should be short name, and not a you can use capital letter. And now here I press enter, and you can see here the version is 1.00, and now I'll press again enter. And description, you can write here any description what you want. So here I will write this is my first Node.js project. You can write anything as per your choice, and now I'll press enter again. And entry point is app.js. Entry point means when I will run my project in browser, then it will redirect to app.js file at first. So you can change here any entry point. So you can write here instead of app.js, you can write here index.js. That means when you go to run your project in browser, then first of all it will be open the index.js file. So here automatically redirect app.js because I already created a app.js file, so it's redirected here app.js. So you can simply leave this to press enter, or you can, if you want to redirect when you in another file, when you open your project in browser, then you can write the name of this file. So now I want to redirect my in app.js file, so here I will press simply enter and test command. So here I will leave it empty, so I will press enter again, and git repository I will leave it empty. So again I'll press enter, and keyword I'll write leave here empty also. So here I will press enter again, and author name, or you can write here your name also in author. So here I will write a creative developer. This is my channel name, so you can write here your name also. So and now I will press enter here, and license ISC. So now I will press enter, default ISC license. And now you can see here asking is this okay. So obviously this is okay. So now here I will press yes, or you can press here simply enter, because it's already redirected yes. So you can type here yes also, otherwise you can leave it empty and press enter. So now you can see here is the created a package.json file. So I will decrease the size of the terminal, and here I will open the package.json file. So you can see I have written the name is Node. So here you can see the package name is Node, and the version 1.00, and description which I wrote the description here. So this is my first Node project, and main means I told you that when you open our project in a browser, then it will be direct at first app.js file. So you can change from here also. You can write here index.js also, and test command echo. This is not most important, and the author name is creative developer, which I wrote at the time to install package.json file. So here I will close this package.json file, and now we have to install node module. So here I will type as simply npm install, or you can type as simply npm I. So here now I'll press enter to install. Sorry, here it is something wrong. So again I'll press npm I. So it started to install. Okay, the installation is completed. So here you can see it's added package log.json file, which I installed by the command npm I. And now I will write here simply console dot log and double inverted command. Here I'll write here hello, this is my first project, and semicolon to separate this line. So I will increase the size of so now it is to readable. So and to run the node.js project, so in this terminal we have to write simply node and our pay file name. So this is my file name app.js. So node app, or you can type a app.js also. So you can see it's printed hello, this is my first project. So now your node.js is working, and if you change this is my first node.js project, and save. So now again we have to start our server. So again I have to write here node app.js. So you can see it's printed hello, this is my first node.js project. So this is the basic of structure of node.js, and in the next video I will show you how to create a server of Node.js. So guys, this is the first video of Node.js. So here I explain the some structure of Node.js, and if you want to get more Node.js videos, then you can subscribe and press the notification bell icon also.